S.Seifullina Street starts on the right bank of the capital from the street of famous composer and folk artist of Kazakhstan Kinjibek Uzbekov and finishes at the street of Almukan Simbinov, who was a scout during World War II and awarded with the Order of Glory. S.Seifullina Street also crosses Sararka and Жүріңіз avenues as well as Bibetchilik and Shokan Walihanov streets. Its length is 4,166 meters. S.Seifullina was a statesman, prominent public figure and representative of Kazakh literature of Soviet period. He was one of the leaders of Unity movement. In October 1914, he published his first compilation of poems, Last Days. Seifullina is also an author of numerous verses and poems such as Dombra, Express, Kokshitau, Red Horse, Albatross, and others. On the right bank of Ashim River, on the crossroad of S.Seifullina and Mukhtar Awezov streets, one can find old wooden house, the Museum of S.Seifullina. It was opened 20th of February 1988 in Akmola city. The main office of Anti-Corruption Agency of Kazakhstan, Kazakh-Turkish Lyceum, Astanalik Trade Center are also located alongside the street.